Just got to the new property. A little beat up, but that's cool. That's what we're looking for. Fixer-uppers. Window needs replaced, easy work. Man, they got plants growing out of the gutters. That's rough. Got the elephant ears, okay. Got this thing for $141,800. Not bad. The comps, the properties in the area, once renovated, are selling for $230,000, $240,000. So you want to buy a property at 70% of the after repair value. That's after renovations. So you want to be all in at 70% of the after repair value, I should say. So plan with this property like all the other ones, cash out refinance, get the renovation money back, put that money into another deal, and keep it rolling. Once I refinance, I am pretty much cleared up to take all of the money I invested into this property and put it into another property. A few different methods of doing that. I would recommend finding a local bank, building a relationship with a local bank. Just getting my keys ready. A good one that we use, Bank Independent, they're solid. Another one, Guild Mortgage. They have good DSCR loans. All right, here's the inside. Doesn't need a whole lot of work. Like, honestly, it's livable right now, but there's a lot of room for improvement. So I don't know what they were thinking doing this weird little pillar cabinet thing. I don't even know what to call it. It's weird. But this is a little dining room right here. Gonna do new everything in here. This is a cheap roll-on. Look at that. That's not even an LVP. So this is flat enough to where we can just lay something right over it. This is their master bathroom. Huge, a lot of room for improvement, a lot of potential. Master bedroom. Actually, crazy thing is they have this listed as a 3-bed, 2-bath because there's 3 bedrooms over here, right? But we're going to turn this den into a bedroom and instantly increase the value of this home. So you want to buy properties that you can add a bedroom and a bathroom to. Here are the 3 bedrooms. The second bath, the largest of the 3 on this side. And today we're going to start on doing the ceilings. There's the old popcorn ceiling up there. So that's an easy way to increase the resale value of a home, and also it can boost the equity a little bit. So you really don't want popcorn ceilings anymore because those were in style in the 80s. Now they're out of style. They're really hard to clean. Yeah. Also, I mean, like stuff like this right here, that wouldn't fly. An appraiser is not going to want to see that. So, and we got these lights. These got to go. My grandma calls them boob lights. See, there's the nipple right there. Got boob lights all up in this place. I guess those were cool back in the day. Boob lights and popcorn ceilings. Gotta go. Doing decent sized backyard. You could actually put a little tiny home or something back here. Like these people over here, they got an RV in the back of theirs. That helps with the cash flow. Put that towards your mortgage, get your mortgage paid off quicker. It always pays off to, whenever you're buying a property, to have a little bit of land that comes with it. I mean, you could probably put 2 tiny homes or 2 little ADUs, that stands for accessory dwelling units, back here, just to help with the cash flow. But yeah, about to get to work. Gonna keep y'all updated on the workflow today. Gonna have my buddy come out and take a look at it and give me a quote on some of the stuff that I'm not able to do myself. We're gonna go with a handyman on this one. General contractors, they charge a lot. Unless you're doing a large commercial job, I personally don't think you should do a general contractor. Lean on the handyman when you can. Save yourself some money. It's a stray dog. It's a pretty dog. Look at him. He's like, what's up? Is he on a leash? He's wagging his tail. He's nice. Oh, he's coming over here. Let's see if he's cool. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. This must be his territory. Like, he stopped wagging his tail. They got the no trespassing right here. If he comes over here, it's cool though, because it's my property. Oh, he's kind of young. Hey! Oh, look, he ain't gonna leave his little yard area. Come here, bud. Come here. Oh, he's getting his homies. I hear more dogs. He's calling the whole neighborhood. Hey! Yeah.
But like I said, I got people, I got some contractors and everything.
Yeah.
But
yeah, there's a good group around here. They're called Summertown Metals. They do like barn dominiums, and you know how typically building a house is anywhere from 130 to 150 square foot.
Yeah.
They do like $60 to $80 a square foot. So it's super cheap. That's
Summertown Metals.
Summertown. So they're based out of Summertown, Tennessee. They got
I heard of them.
Yeah, they're solid.
Man, which
Hey, buddy.
am I using? I forget which one it is, but I'm gonna do block stuff.
You gonna do block like CMU?
Like just your traditional block, and then I'm going to do a metal building on top of that. Cause
nice. We just met. Why are you acting brand new, buddy? What? What's up, bud?